Hey guys, so I've been talking about this chart that you're going to be getting, and today's the big day. So here's your chart. The link for it is in today's folder under Comparing Literature. And basically the point of this chart is for you to start to really compile examples of how each author, both in your independent reading book and the short story that we're going to begin reading today, Flowers for Algernon, how the author of both of those pieces was able to create realistic and powerful cultural connections through literary elements. Literary elements, if you remember, are things like plot, theme, characters, setting, point of view. And this chart is going to help you to organize it because you're going to need to reference it later when we compare the two texts in our writing piece. So save a folder or save a copy of this in your Google Drive. And if you work in Notability, make sure that you save versions of it along the way because we all know that Notability can delete things without notice. So here's a copy of this chart. And if you'll notice, it has Flowers for Algernon on the left-hand side and your independent reading novel, which you're going to fill in here, on the right-hand side. And we told you again up top that we want you to make observations about how this author created cultural connections. You want to pull specific and explicit examples to show where and how the connections are woven into the story. Now, don't forget to note the page number for your reference later. This will absolutely come in handy when you need to look around. Maybe you need to use some context clues or you need some more that you didn't write down. So make sure you put in your page number. And so here we have characters. So how did characters help to pull in culture? The setting, conflict, plot, language, theme, and point of view. There's also focus questions. We'll go over them later once you've finished reading both texts. If you have any questions, let me know. I will be back on Thursday.